Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing Afro crochet braid. So I'm going for a really big hairstyle today, and also in this video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the natural looking hairline on your crochet hairstyle. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. So I've already started with my hair, and I'm going ahead to create the braid pattern for the hairstyle. So I'm going to be doing a small size cornrow around the perimeter of my head. So this will allow me to put the hairstyle into a ponytail once I'm done, into a ponytail or into a high bun once I'm done doing the crochet braid. So right here, this is the base of the first cornrow. So as you can see right there, I'm taking the cornrow across the back of my neck, and I'm also going to be connecting the other braid to this one right here. So this is the first cornrow for this braid pattern. Okay, so this is the front of the braid pattern. Okay, so this is the crochet hair I'm going to be using for this hairstyle. So I have a separate video showing you guys how to coil your straight braiding hair to achieve this kinky coily crochet hair right here. I'll put the link to the video in the description box down below. Go ahead and click on the link in the description box down below so that way you can learn how to make your own natural looking kinky crochet hair. So right here, I'm just going ahead to separate the hair so that way I can move on to the next part of this video. So this is the hair after separating a little bit out of it. So I'm going to be using the invisible knot method around the perimeter. So the knotless crochet braid method around the perimeter for this hairstyle. Okay, so to do the knotless crochet braid, you need to take your crochet hook and pass it through the base of your braid or through the base of your cornrow. Okay, so next hook the crochet hair and pull it through. So now you need to hook half of the hair and pass it through the loop. Again, hook half of the hair and pass it through the loop the second time. So now you need to pull it all the way through. Once you pull the hair all the way through, the next step is to pull on both ends to secure the knot in place. So right here, right now I'm going ahead to pull on both ends to secure the knot in place. So this is how you do the knotless crochet braid. And also because I want this hair to be like really full, so I'm going for a big afro look. So I'm spacing it out by using just one finger right here, as you can see. So if you don't want yours to be as full as the one I have in this video, then you need to space it out a lot more, okay? So like I said, if you don't want your crochet hairstyle to be as full as the one I have in this video, then you need to give it a lot more space. Just use two fingers for the space instead of one, okay? So I use the regular double knot crochet method on the zigzag braid pattern. So for the front, I'm using the invisible knot method, the knotless crochet braid method on the front section. So right now I'm working on the side part. So doing the same thing using the invisible knot method. I'm trying to create a natural looking side part. I'm going to show you how to achieve the natural looking hairline with the crochet braid. So I'm going to take a small amount of the crochet hair. I'm going to use about this much hair. So now that I'm close to the end of this curl right here, I'm going to do a single knot crochet right here. So I'm doing a single knot crochet. Okay, out of the way, just like that. So now I'm going to take the crochet hook and I'm going to pass the crochet hook through this middle, through the middle of the corn roll right there. And push it all the way through. So now I'm going to take the hair and hook it. Close the lash hook and I'm going to pull it through just like this. And gently pull it all the way through. As you can see, right there, it's in the middle part or the center part of the corn roll. Just like that. So now we're going to continue with the knotless crochet braid. Okay, so I'm done with this corn roll. As you can see, when I flip it over, it looks as if the hair is coming out of my scalp. So this is what you want. Flip it over. Okay, so once I'm done with the rest, I'm going to trim a little bit of the hairs in front to give it that natural look. So this is the side part right here. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the hairline in front. So using the comb, or you can also do this with your hand, you need to pull out some of the hair around the hairline. So once you're done separating the amount of hair you need to create the natural looking hairline, the next step is to take your comb and start combing the hair back. So you just want to back comb the hairs that you're holding. Make sure to hold them firm, okay? Now comb it back so that way you push it towards the roots of the crochet braid, towards the base of the crochet braid. So as you can see right here, I'm back combing the hair back to the root, making sure to hold the strands in place, as you can see right there. So next I'm going to be trimming off the remaining hair in front using this razor comb. You can do the same thing using scissors. If you don't have the razor comb, you can use hair scissors to trim the hair short. Okay, so I'm done with one side of the front section. So now I'm going to work on the other side. I'm going to be doing that off camera, doing the same thing. So as you can see right here, you can see the huge difference between the two sides, right? Look at that. Perfect. So I went ahead and did that off camera. So right now I'm going ahead to spray a little bit of water on the hair to detangle it. So after I was done detangling the hair, and right now I'm going ahead to trim it a little bit to form the shape that I want for the hairstyle. So here is the final result of the natural looking Afro kinky crochet braid. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.